Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Trading with Ashley show. So it's no secret that Palantir is one of my favorite stocks. And part of the reason it's one of my favorite stocks is I really believe in the business model, and investing early in this stock has brought my personal portfolio to new levels. And that's the key. When you have a company that you've researched and you truly believe in what you're seeing with that company, don't be afraid to go ahead and put some good money behind it, keeping position size in mind. And the reason is, if you get in early on a company like Palantir, it's like getting in NVIDIA when it was just new on the scene and it just had a vision and it was working towards that vision. So you have to be bold when you truly believe in a company, and that will allow you to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Now, you won't win every time if you believe in a company's business model, but as you see it getting stronger and stronger and actually confirming your bias to the company based on your own belief system, that's when you start really fleshing out your position and putting yourself in a situation to enjoy the fact that you found this stock early. Now, many people are starting to become aware of Palantir, but what I wanted to share with you is they have recently landed a billion-dollar deal with the Navy. Now, this has yet to be formally announced because, as you know, everything has to be signed, sealed, and delivered for them to announce it. They're expecting it to be announced in January. But the reason I found out about it was a particular Twitter follower that I follow. I'm going to put this on the screen. It's Go Carp. And he announced it. So I actually went to the website, the government website, and I see it right there. And so here's some of the detail that they're sharing. Let me just go ahead and read in case you can't see this. It may be small print. Let me read some of what they're sharing. Here we are at sam.gov, and this is the Department of Defense posting. They just posted this yesterday, was the original date of publication. And they go on to explain the contract. It says right here, the permit action is anticipated to result in an indefinite delivery quantity contract with 5-year base and 5-year option. Pricing will be a firm fixed price. Task and delivery orders may be placed by the Department of Defense, and the total estimated value is $919.78 million. The estimated award date for the contract is January of 2025. And so one thing to consider, if in January is the date that this will be formally announced, then you might want to start establishing your position prior to that so that when it's formally announced, you can enjoy the run up on the stock even more. So this contract will provide $184 million a year over a 5-year period. Now, Palantir has been working with the government. They actually have worked with the Army for years. So it's interesting to see that other branches are starting to now see what Palantir can do. And this is only going to expand their reach. And the best part about Palantir is you have these lucrative government contracts. I look at that as the foundation because government contracts, especially with something like defense, they don't hand them out just to anybody. Once they have built that relationship with Palantir like they have, and there's that trust there, it will more than likely continue, and Palantir will only expand its offerings, and it can go to several different branches. So that provides a great basis for this stock. But the beautiful part about Palantir is they also appeal to an endless number of commercial clients. And the sky's the limit. In fact, if you look at how disruptive this technology can be, let's say you're a hospital and you're using the technology that Palantir offers. Well, if you're a competitor and you are being outperformed by this hospital that has Palantir, well, what are you going to do? You want to fight, right, with an even fight. So you're going to go hire Palantir to see what they can do for your business. And so if you look at all the different arenas that Palantir's in, there are so many opportunities for this company to continue its growth trajectory. So now you may be thinking, well, what now, Ashley? I had heard you and others talk about Palantir, but I never jumped in. Is it too late? The beauty of this is it's not too late. It may be too late to get it at the prices that someone like me started buying Palantir at, But there's such a long runway with this stock. So what I'm going to teach you today, I'm going to show you how you can set yourself up for success. If you believe in this stock like I do your own research. Don't take my word for it. But there's several different ways that I've been working with my community to get more exposure to this stock. So what I'm going to go over with you today, one is very simple. It's a dollar cost averaging. I'm going to show you how I continue to flesh out my position with Pltr. But then the other way I want to share with you is through leaps. And this is when you purchase a call that's a year or more out. And this is what you do when you believe a stock is going to be running high a year from now and you want to take advantage of that, but you may not have the capital to purchase 100 shares right now. There is something you can do, and leaps provide a powerful tool in your portfolio. So I'm going to take you through those few dynamics. Now, let me show you different ways that you can play this. This is my daily buy on Pltr. Now, you can do smaller amounts, but I have a daily buy set to purchase $100 worth of Pltr every day. So if I just keep doing this over the years, it will become quite the position in addition to my initial position that I have in a different account. And this is great because it buys high, it buys low, and if we have a steep pullback, then I will double up this particular purchase. Now, this is how I look for leaps. They are a call purchased a year or more out. So what you want to do is you want to go to an option chain and look at expiration dates. Now, they just added this chain in 2027 not too long ago. So I'm going to go ahead and go as far out as I can because I will capture the more earnings calls, and I feel like it'll continue to ride up. So I'm going out to 2027. And then when I go over here and I start looking for potential strike prices to purchase a call at, you want to try to stick to something around a 0.8. So this is the one I called out to my Discord members this morning, and I went ahead and I purchased this $42 strike. It's a 0.8 delta, which means for every dollar that Pltr moves up or down, this instrument that I purchased for, at this point, $24.20, it will go up or down by 80 cents, or if you multiply it by 100, by $80. So what my intentions are, if we continue to have a pullback, and we might, I'll show you why, if we continue to have a pullback, then I will add even more positions to this. But the best part about a leaps is it will continue to go up over time. And if I were going to buy 100 shares today, I would need $5,500 for where it's trading. But if I'm going to go purchase this $42 leaps today, I need half of that amount. So just $2,400 would be what I need to purchase this. And I'll enjoy the 80 cents per share price appreciation. So if you think about it, you could either purchase 100 shares at around $5,500, or you could purchase 2 of these leaps. And if each one is rising by 80 cents, that gives me a $1.60 movement for every dollar movement in the share price. Well, if I just had 100 shares, then I would just enjoy $1 price movement. So you could take the same amount of money and you can enjoy a $1.60 versus $1 every dollar that the share price moves up. This is the power of leaps. But not only that, when we get towards the end of this contract in January of 2027 or before, I can choose to exercise this call option, meaning I can buy Pltr shares at that time for $42 a share, regardless of where it's trading at. What if it's trading at 100? I can get it for 42. Now, I must have the money available in my brokerage account to buy it at 42. But it gives me this great placeholder that if I think there's a lot of life left in that particular stock, I can get it low and keep enjoying writing cover calls on it, or just enjoy the price appreciation. So for those of you that feel like you missed out, this is a way that you can secure your Pltr position at a lower price than it's trading for today for, several months from now. So this is the power of leaps. Now, what you're going to see with a stock like this, you're going to see hit pieces that are intended to pull the price down. And the reason is your larger institutions, quite frankly, they missed the boat on this one. They wanted more confirmation. Well, once they got the confirmation that it's going to be a solid stock, now their primary goal is to pull the stock price down so that they can load up and try to impress their clients with how brilliant they are. So you're going to see things like this. And it's saying right here, valuation indicators for Palantir reached a recent high. Historically, this has led to a median decrease in Palantir price of negative 28% over the following 6 months. So what they're trying to share with you is that this will potentially go down by almost 30% in the next 6 months. Well, that's going to be very challenging to actually see happen if Palantir continues to roll out new contracts. But when you see things like this and it pushes the price down a little like it has done today, this is when I strike. So if you're in it for the long game, you don't worry about the noise, because if this stock is trading over $150 5 years from now, are you going to really be frustrated that you didn't get just a few more dollars off? So you have to think about the overall picture with a stock like Palantir. I want to give a shout out to my wonderful Discord community. They have had the most incredible week. Now, it helps that the stock market is up, but because they're part of the community, they know how to play it. They know how to play it like a fiddle. In fact, here are some of the comments of what they've been experiencing this week. And I love when I see things like this where they have achieved personal goals, hitting $100,000. Another one has a $50,000 goal that they're approaching in a short time. What people are finding out is once they join, we have so many resources to help them. Not only my teachings and not only my trade alerts, but we have so many incredible like-minded traders in my community that they're all calling out a variety of trades. We had a great lesson last week in Ashley Live where we actually shared with the community, one of our traders, how he looks at trading on a weekly and bi-weekly basis on running the wheel strategy on some key ticker symbols. And it just opened up everyone's mind. The other day, we had a lesson on the MACD from one of our traders, and it just really helped people become smarter when they're trading. So if you want to be a part of this community, we would love to have you. I know it's really difficult to get a call. We have several people, but the calls are booked. If that's the case, we are offering the opportunity to join us directly through our entry-level program. It's a paid program. All you have to do is click the link below, and then we will send you an email, and you can join directly from there. Remember, if you're with Trading with Ashley, there is no trader left behind. Now, if you love Palantir and you love looking at different ways to trade it, I am going to attach a video I did. Now, Palantir was trading lower than it is now, but it's going to show you how I utilized Palantir to run the wheel strategy very effectively. You can watch that video right here.